What's up, guys? William Agnew here, JekyllandHydes. Today we got luxury, we got sporty, all in one. We got an SL63 AMG 2023 Mercedes-Benz, as you guys can see, north of $200,000 in value. As a matter of fact, the owner of this vehicle brought it straight from the lot here. It's got less than 100 miles on it. Why? Because it needs what we do, guys, protection, right? And that's exactly what we did. PPF, paint protection film. As you guys can see, this car was originally a gloss gray, right? He wanted something a little more toned down and protection as well. What we did is we matted it out from front to back. We put the PPF on it, changed the texture, and we also protected it all at the same time. Take a look at this, guys. This is pure perfection, right? It's the drop top coupe. You can't get any better than this, right? If you need to protect your vehicle, any vehicle, it can be 70,000, 80,000, it can even be 50,000, but definitely at $200,000, guys, you definitely want to protect it. Protect it from what? Protect it from dings, rock chips, anything in the environment that's going to damage your vehicle. And the best thing about that is this is self-healing, guys, which means if it gets damaged, you heat it up, goes right away. PPF, paint protection film. If you want it, come on down to JekyllandHydes. We can install it. We can give you that protection and that color change all at the same time. This is William Agnew, 2023 SL63 AMG Mercedes-Benz. We'll see you guys in the next. Peace.